Hello guys, welcome back to another video of One True Legend. And today what I've got over here, I've got the UGREEN Smart Finder. Essentially what this is basically AirTags, but it's a much cheaper version and the battery lasts a lot longer than the original Apple AirTag. So I found that the Apple ones are kind of overpriced. They are really good, they're good quality, but this one, it might be, the plastic might be a bit cheaper, but at least we get longer battery life and it works just as well as the Apple one. But except the Apple one's got the smart finding feature where you can just pull it up on your phone and you can see the exact location of it. On this one you can't do that, but this is as close as you can get to the AirTags that you can get from Apple. And the only thing is that it doesn't have the smart finding feature. So without further ado, let's get this unboxed. So it says to peel this tab over here. We're just going to peel this off. Alright, so I've removed the top tab. You don't need the bottom one. It's got a tab at the bottom, but you don't need to get rid of that. So what we're going to do, we're just going to get this out. And as you can see, this is everything that we get in the box. We don't need that anymore. Let's see what we get. So we'll see what's in there in a bit. We get the user instruction. It just tells you some safety information. You've got these stickers, so you could just put this on whichever AirTag you're going to put in your luggage, your bag, your keys, your car, your favorite thing, your bike. Then you got information. So it's just all safety information. And then here we've got the user instruction manual. So it's a CM8116. It's literally a big map, really huge map. So it says to peel off the film, you add the item in the iOS. And it's just as simple as that. It's pretty much plug and play at this point. And to take the battery out, you insert a pin into the hole. Let's see what's in this bag. So as you can see, we get the whatever's in here. So you just unscrew this and it comes apart like so. It's basically like a lanyard to put a keychain on various items. So I've got the pack of 4 version. You can get a singular one, you can get different model numbers, but I went for this one because it's quite convenient to have 4 of them and I can just put them in each device. So I could put one and I can have one as spare as well. So let's just open up one of them. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. So this is the AirTag UGREEN. Of course it's not on yet because this tab is stopping the circuit from connecting with the battery. So this is the smart finder, as you can see right over here. So this is basically the pin that's included with the packet, and that's how you remove the battery. So you can just take it off like this. But what we're going to do for now, we're just going to get it turned on. So all we've got to do, just peel this off. And as you can see, it's on. We now got the AirTag on, and now what we're going to do, we're going to get this paired up with the device. If we press this button, it makes a noise. But what we're going to do, we're going to add it up to the phone. This is find new item. We're going to add the AirTag. After a while, I couldn't get it to work, and it turns out you don't add the AirTag. It's supposed to look for a different alternative to that. So that's a smart tag. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to call it a name. I'm just going to call it 1TL AirTag 1. Right over here, let's choose an emoji. I'll just choose anyone. And now it's linked to my accounts. You can locate this item using the Find My network. Using this item to track people without their consent is a crime. So I can keep my... And as you can see, it shows up all the information right here. It shows the manufacturer information. And it will actually notify if left behind. So if you leave it behind, it will tell you. And you can even share it with someone. So I can add a person. Another thing is play sound. Try and test that out. Wow, look at that. And I can just keep pressing it again. So if I press it again, so I can locate something. Of course, it doesn't have the smart tracking feature, but at least I can track it down. And anywhere in the world, you can see where the AirTag is. And yeah, it says it will last for 2 years, which is actually amazing. What I want to do is actually see the battery inside. So I just want to see what it looks like. So it says to insert the pin in here. So you're supposed to gently just insert it from the back, like I saw in the instructions right now. And while it's in, so just put it in gently. That's what I'm doing right now. And just pry it open. And as you can see, I've got it open and look at that. This is the battery that's inside of here. So as you can see, it's got a CR2032 battery, as you can see right here, 3 volts, EVE. So of course if the battery dies, I can just easily replace it. And that's what it looks like internally. It's just a very simple little thing that talks to each device that you got. And then once you're done, this is what the cover looks like. So as you can see, let's close it back together now. Let's see what it looks like when it's open. I'm going to play it. So yeah, that's what it looks like while it's open. Creates like a high pitched sound. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close it back together now. So now it's back together, and I could just stick this in various places. I could put this in my bag. I could have it discreetly in my bag. I could just put it in my keys. So if I lose them, this can track the keys down. And it's, yeah, it's really neat little gadget. And of course you've got stickers to identify what it is. So if I want to identify this is for my bike, just put this bike sticker on here. If I want to identify it's for my keys, luggage, you just stick this in your luggage. If you're checking it into the airport, then you can just put this in your luggage and you can track it down. You can track where it goes and to see if it gets lost. And the sound is actually really loud, so you can actually use it to find something really easily. So yeah, it's a really neat little AirTag alternative. It's not quite an AirTag, but it's still really good. It's really light. Of course, it's not built like a metal AirTag because the official Apple AirTag is made out of metal, but this, although it's made out of plastic, as long as you have it in, let's say you have it in your bag or bike, it doesn't really matter because it's durable anyway. And yeah, it claims to have a 2-year battery life, so I'll obviously see how it goes. I haven't seen it yet, but it could last up to 2028, which is actually amazing. So you can actually see a long battery life with this AirTag alternative. Of course, it doesn't have the features like smart tracking, but playing the sound is enough. Good little way of tracking your things down. So if you ever lose your bag or wallet or whatever, you can just have this in your wallet at all times and track it down. You can even conceal it in your bike or just have it like this. So for example, I've got my keys over here, and what I've got over here, it's got the way to unscrew and screw in. So what I could just do, I could just use this, tie this through here, make a little loop, and just like that, I could just screw it onto my keys. So I'm going to screw it onto my keys right now. As you can see, I've now got my AirTags successfully on my keys. Look at that, amazing. So if I ever lose it, this is tethered to it. I occasionally actually lose my keys, so this is actually very helpful. So if I ever lose them, I can just play the sound so easily and just easily locate it, which is actually really convenient. And you can even just put it in your wallet. Of course, you can get one that's in the size of a credit card and you can just put it in your wallet that way. But you can also put it in your wallet like this. So if you've got any wallet that's thick enough to have your AirTag in here, just put it in here, and look, I could just track it like this. So if I just lose this wallet ever, I could just easily just track it down. I'm going to play it while it's concealed. It's just as loud as if it was not concealed. See, look at that, it's really loud. And of course I've got a pack of 4, so you can get either one with pack of 1, 2-pack, or you can get 1-pack, you can get 2-pack or 4-pack. I got a 4-pack because it's quite convenient to have, and I got spares as well, and it's also a really decent price. The one AirTag costs about £30. This cost me, because I got it on a deal, it depends on what deal you get, but I got £20, all of these, 4 of these for £20, and with an Apple AirTag, only one AirTag cost £30. Just the only thing with the Apple AirTag is more of genuine. It's got the smart tracking feature, so you can track it using AR, and it's also got a good build quality. But the good thing about this one is that it's also got a 2-year battery life, while the Apple official one's got a 1 year. So yeah, I'm going to end this video of me unboxing and reviewing the UGREEN Apple AirTag Smart Finder alternative. So this is basically an Apple AirTag. You can get obviously these cheap AliExpress ones, but I assume they're no good. Like, it'll probably drain the battery really fast, and it's also not efficient as well. The UGREEN, you can't go wrong with them. It's really good quality. I've got a few UGREEN products that I'm happy with, such as the UGREEN power adapter that I've got. I've got a lot of UGREEN USB-C cables, and you can even get a USB-C rechargeable one version of this, but that's only 1 year. But the good thing is that you don't have to get any new batteries. You can just charge it up with your USB-C charger, but the only thing is it lasts half as this. Of course, batteries tend to degrade, so I think this is better value, because if the battery does go bad, it's just replaceable. And you could probably get rechargeable CR32 batteries anyway, but they're probably not recommended. It probably works better with the disposable CR32 batteries. So anyway, I'm going to wrap up this video of me reviewing the UGREEN Smart Finder. It's a really good AirTag. I haven't tested how long it lasts, but I'll see in 2 years how long it actually lasts. So it gives you all the information right over here. It works with iOS 14 and plus. It basically how it works, it talks to a network of Apple devices, millions of Apple devices in the world, and it uses that to geo-position this device. So this doesn't connect to the internet. This tells anyone who's nearby, it tells their Apple device that this AirTag is in this position, and then it will update you anonymously where this AirTag is. So it's a really clever little system how it works. AirTags work the exact same way, and you can track it anywhere in the world. So if you've got anything important, anything valuable, this will help you track it down, hopefully. Another thing about this video is that this video is pretty much solar powered. So I solar charged this camera with my solar charged power bank. My DJI microphone is solar powered, as you can see right here. And this lamp is completely solar charged by my solar charged power bank. So of course I custom modded it with USB-C. This power bank completely solar charged, and that's powering this video. So basically this video is a completely solar powered video, completely renewable powered video. So anyway, I'm going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed this little video of me reviewing this UGREEN AirTag. And yeah, I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.